Honey, when I tell you, indigo gives me this comforting. Ooh, so good. But this comforting, kind of like a Netflix and chill. Ladies and gentlemen, this is Amber coming to you with the Frag View, coming to you with another video review, and today we are going to get into my Nest fragrance collection, okay? If you're interested in seeing what fragrances do I have in my collection from Nest, just keep watching. Hello, family. Welcome back. Hey, welcome back, family. Hey, and if you're new to this channel, my name is Amber, and on this channel, we review fragrances and body care, and we sip a little tea from here and there. Yo, sis may go left, but that's okay. Just subscribe, give me a thumbs up, comment down below. Would love to get to know you and meet you. And hey, family, hey, I hope you all are doing well. Hey, new family, I hope you all are doing really well. I know y'all hear me laughing it up. Honey, why I record this whole thing? And I did hit the record button.
You didn't say that. Tell me you did not just say that.
Oh my goodness. So this is part 2, but y'all didn't see part 1, and neither did the camera. So let's get into it. Okay, so I have some fragrances that I wanted to bring to you from Nest Fragrance, and you can get Nest Fragrance off of Sephora if you are interested, okay? I think these fragrances are very underrated, but very, very good to wear in the summer season. The high heat that we are experiencing, honey, the 90 to 100, the foolery of it all, okay? I believe these fragrances will definitely shine and have a place for you in your fragrance wardrobe. Okay, so let's get into it. So first off, we have Black Tulip. Have you all heard about this? Have you all experienced this? To me, this gives me like a deep, dark secret, okay, that nobody knows about. She gives me sexy vibes, okay? She gives me that like summer date night, you know, if you got a boo, a 2, a 3, a 4, 5, your business, sis. Okay, your business. But this definitely gives me all of the date night vibes. So if you're looking for a good summer, but to not be so cloying and heavy during the summer, but still give you that beautiful experience for the date night, consider this. Okay, so we have plum, patchouli, violet, and pink pepper. All the beautiful things called a plum. Where my plum girls at? If you like a good plum, this is what you want, honey. This is so fruity, floral. This gives me just overall Nest gives me about 3 to 6 hours. Like if you put an oil with it, and we'll get into the oils, but if you put an oil with it, it gives you definitely like the 6-hour vibes to me on my skin. But it gives you this like 3 to 6 modern projection, modern sillage, like absolutely like just so good for this season. Like I highly recommend you get your nose, and I feel like you'll be able to find something that works for you in the Nest fragrance family. And again, these are to me affordable. You know, affordable is a long word that it can mean so many different things to so many different people. This gives me about $90, right? But you can get like a travel size for I think about 36 some odd dollars. So I think this will be a really good fragrance house for you to consider if you're looking at something that's fresh, easy reach for the summer season. So again, this is Black Tulip. Highly recommend you get this, sis, honey. Moving on. Next up, we have, if you caught my tray, honey, she's on the tray for July. So we're talking about none other than Indigo. Do you all have this? Have you all experienced this? Honey, when I tell you, Indigo gives me this comforting. Ooh, so good. But this comforting, kind of like a Netflix and chill. Like, you know, if your man is getting out of the shower and you like, babe, I want you to just try this. I feel like this is unisex where your man can experience this too. Wet, dripping, drip dropping all over his body.
Water will glisten all over your body.
I feel like this would be something good for you to have a good old night, your business.
Sexy time. Yeah.
But let's get into the notes. So we have fig bergamot, tea cardamom, and we have cashmere woods. This gives me after the rain, foggy morning. Like just the comfort, the aromatic of it all. It's just so good. I love this. And this gives me like a jammy fig, you know what I'm saying? So definitely, it also gives me like sweet vibes. It's not too green where it'd be off-putting. Highly recommend if you need a something zen in your life, you know, the calming of the world. If you need something like that, honey, I'm doing a whole system change at my job. So definitely bring the zen on. That's why this is on my tray. I need all the zen that I can get, okay? Moving on. Next up, we have Golden Nectar. This is probably one of the most recent purchases that I had. I think I got this last year, but from a Nest fragrance that I got, this is amazing, okay? If you like a vanilla, my vanilla lovers, where you at? A vanilla amber type of fragrance, this is what you want. And to me, these bottles give me everything I think to me, okay, in my dresser, okay, and where I put my fragrance. I think this doesn't give me cheap. Now, if this looks cheap to you, to each his own. But this doesn't give me cheap. It definitely is just such a pretty, elegant bottle to me. Like, it's not heavy, right? But for me to sit this on my dresser, I'm not mad at it, okay? And the category is vanilla smell good. I mean, what you want? Okay, let's get to the notes. So we have vanilla amber, orchid, musk, and suede. This is a beautiful, easy reach. Grab it like and go. Like you can wear this throughout spring, summer. Like I even can see this in the fall. This definitely leans more on the feminine side, but I can see this for all those seasons, right? But it just giving you just this sweet vanilla, musk, amber, warm type of fragrant scent and feeling. Like I feel like you will get many a compliments if somebody is standing right next to you. Again, it's not announcing your presence. Not everything does. Now, if you need things to announce your presence, then that's fine. Then this might not be the house for you. But if you want something that you can be versatile with and also like it sit close to skin, you're just like, I just want something that is easy, good, grab, go. I still smell good and I want my vanilla sis. Well, definitely consider Golden Nectar, okay? Moving on. Next up, honey, I have your Tropical Beauty, okay? And this is the bronze beauty. This is the one that's laying out in the sun and tanning.
I went to that tanning place your wife suggested. Was that place the Sun?
Not that I've experienced the tanning thing. I really don't need that in my life. But if I were to consider this in a category, this would be the category of coconuts, okay? My coconut lovers, where are you at? If you like a good coconut, tropical, bronzy type of scent, and this doesn't give me like suntan, like where I can't stand it, okay? Because there are fragrances like that. Like I can't.
I hate you!
I don't tan, but I know what it smells like, and I can't do it. But this gives me such, so good. The comforting, just the, tropical. I love this. This is definitely in the category as vacation vibes. Like vacation vibes all day. You know your sis. Let's get into the notes. So we have coconut, frangipani, tuberose, gardenia, orange blossom, and amber. If you had Soleil Blanc from Tom Ford, this would be like, if you like that, I feel like you would love this. You know, if it's one and the same, okay? Moving on. So next, I am thinking about on my wish list for Nest fragrances. I'm thinking about this wild poppy one. We'll put the picture up. They have a wild poppy, and then they also have this wisteria fragrance. So I'm considering, you know, which one am I going to get next? Again, to me, it's definitely affordable. Oh, I just smell, ooh, baby. Those smell, it's just amazing, okay? But I'm trying to think, which one should I get? So if you know Nest, if you have some Nest in your collection, maybe you have the wild poppy, maybe you have the wisteria, comment down below. I would love to know your thoughts and which one I should get next, okay? Now, there's like this citrus one, this yellow flower one. I don't think I'm gonna like that. Now, unless somebody say I'm gonna like that, but if one person say I'm not gonna like that, I'm not gonna get it. Because it wasn't about to be on my list anyway. So, I'm convinced if one person don't like it. Moving on. And last, but certainly not least, let's get into the oils from Nest. The popular girls, okay? And let's preference this. When I get my Nest oils, it's when the Sephora sale is going on. I get one for the Sephora sales. When my 20% off works, that's when I get it. I don't get these oils at no full price around $100. I'm not going to do that. Now, if you do that, your business, your coins. But for me and my coins, we going to wait for that 20% off. Thank you. Okay, so let's start off with Miss Popular, and that is Madagascar Vanilla Honey. I know I said with these oils, I know I mentioned that you know, don't do this. I said this. I said, don't do this, sis, and then do. And I said don't do that because I just feel like it's $100 some odd. Why do you want to do that all over your body like that? Because then this is going to be gone in like 2 weeks. You know what I'm saying? So, consider. If you have moisturizers, like if you have body butters or body creams or something like that, or lotion, maybe consider, you know, when you're dabbing it on there, put the body butter or the body cream, and then put the Madagascar vanilla in the cream, and then consider putting it all over your body like that. You know, just to stretch it out a little bit. But if you don't mind not stretching or the stretching don't even concern you. Cause you like, sis, it don't matter. I mean, I'll spend another, you know, I'll drop another $100 some odd, you know.
I am rich.
In the next 3 weeks. Again, your business, that's just not me. But that's you, sis, and I'm cool with it. But those that are on the train like me, I would just consider using it like that. Just to make it stretch. But for my vanilla lovers, honey, if you have this and then have this vanilla amber and combine that together, baby, who telling you anything? They saying you smell good. I don't know what else they saying. What they saying? Who said it? They said you smell good. Moving on. Next, I have the Balinese Coconut, okay? I love this. If my coconut lovers, honey, you get this and compare it with your Sunkissed Hibiscus. Put this together, Coconut City, okay? Tropical City. Tanning all day, every day. Big old hat and a bathing suit.
I don't weigh no damn 300 pounds. I weigh 165. How you doing?
And glasses and whatever you want to wear on the vacation category. Get this. This is amazing pairing. Love this oil. Love this fragrance. I would say like this is my second favorite, but love those two combined together. Chef's kiss, okay? And then last, but certainly not least, I've talked about this a time or two or 20, and I said it smells like candy, and it still smells like candy. I don't know what else you want me to say. It says Indian Jasmine. So I'm thinking that this is supposed to smell like a white floral. Yeah, I just put that all up in my nose. Honey, this part 2 of the recording. But it's candy. It's like Skittles, Starburst, tomato. Okay, it smells like candy. So if you are into a candy fragranted type of oil, or you have some sweet things and you want to put like a candy, like, honey, consider this could sweeten up the sexy black tulip. Or we can go comfort candy. Okay, the indigo comfort and candy. However you want to do, honey, have fun. I think what's next on my list for Ness for the perfume oils for Ness, the Turkish rose, definitely want to get. I'm thinking about getting that next because I can probably pair that with Delina, or I've been into kind of the rose thing, so I might be able to pair it with some of my rose fragrances. And then I'm also considering the South Pacific sandalwood, the blue one. So let me know your thoughts. Let me know your thoughts on those. I would love to hear it. If you have experience, which one I should get next. I'm definitely going to get both of them. I just don't know which one I should get next. Okay. So comment down below. Would love to know your thoughts. And what do you think about Nest fragrances? What do you think about the house? Do you like it? Do you not? Are you like, sis, I'm not feeling that. Okay, I just am not feeling that type of brand of house, okay? So don't come to me with that. Catch me on another day. To each his own, sis. You know, comment down below. I would like to know either way. Are you feeling it or not? You can definitely catch these at Sephora if you're interested. Definitely go on to Sephora and test it a time or two. My girl was with me in Sephora and we had a good old time sniffing and smelling. And I introduced her to the Nest Fragrance House and she was like, oh my goodness, I never heard of it. This is so good. So I encourage you, go ahead and try it. Get your nose on it and see if anything works for you, okay? But I would definitely say a blind buy, this is definitely a good blind buy, okay? If you wanted to know. Make sure you subscribe. Give me the thumbs up. Comment down below. Would love to get to know you and meet you. And hey, family, hey, make sure that you are good to yourself. Give yourself some grace. And if no one has told you that you are more than enough, what? Huh? Yo, sis just did. Bye, family. I love you. Bye.